So what if you wanted to hide your desktop items on your Mac, but you didn't want to delete them, didn't want to move them, you just wanted to hide it so you had a nice clean desktop look, and maybe you just want to access them through the Finder. Well, today we're going to show you exactly how to do that. So here I have my desktop opened up, and as you see, I have no icons on the desktop. Now, I am on Mac Tahoe 26.2, and you see I have no icons on my desktop, but I actually do, because if you opened up Finder, and I'll show you a cool little thing here. If you open up Finder and you look at my desktop items, you see I actually have some items on my desktop, but they're not showing. I like to have that nice clean look. Well, if I click here anywhere on this area here, you can see there's my icons. If I click again, there they all went away. Well, this is kind of useful if you just don't want to see clutter on your desktop, but maybe you have project files that you want to save there temporarily, right? But you just don't want to see the clutter. And maybe you have a process, like I do, later on to move all that to wherever it is I want to move it, maybe to an archive folder, right? But how do you get it to do that? Well, simply, you can go up here to your Apple logo, go to System Settings. Next, you're going to go over here to Desktop and Dock. And if you scroll on down to this area called Desktop and Stage Manager and click on Desktop, now you see it's check marked. So all of my icons are showing up on my desktop. But if you don't want them to show up, then all you do is uncheck it and they go away. And they can still be accessed either by clicking somewhere here and finding that icon, or you can access it through Finder's desktop right here. Now, a lot of times I might have open, let's say, a web page here, right? And maybe I'm using it just this way. I can click here, open it up, my web page goes off to the side, and now I can access any of my items I want to access on my desktop, right? Now, if I had it full screen and I wanted to access those icons on the desktop, I can either minimize it, or I can go back down here to Finder and find what I want to access and access it that way. So I just wanted to show you all this quick tip here. I hope you all enjoyed it. And if you got any questions about it, make sure you leave me a comment right down below. And don't forget, if you like this video, hit that thumbs up so therefore that video can get out to more and more people who might find it useful. And if you haven't seen any of these episodes before and want to kind of keep up with new things on my channel here, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell. With that being said, I want to wish you all a wonderful week, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care. Bye.